This is not a special video. I'm just gonna spin this silver fidget spinner on us.
Catch the Loud House and more on the Nick app. Download for free on Apple, Android, and Roku.
Fruit Loops are so deliciously fruity your colorful side will come alive.
Hey, Toucan, give it a spin.
Bring it! Whoa, just winging it here. Do whatever makes you happy. Whatever fruits you loops out of this complete breakfast.
This is Harold and George. I can't see a thing. These sunglasses are too dark. This is their great solution. And this is the problem. Here, let me help.
Sure, without this one. Pushing.
We gotta stop him.
See this?
Oh, look at that. They came off again.
That's like slow.
Underpants. Rated PG.
Can't really take the other ones out. It's like stuck. This is the only one. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Sweet cinnamon sugar on the outside, crazy on the inside. Crave those crazy squares. Start this good breakfast.
Okay. Walmart ad. I know it is a Walmart ad. I know it is. I know it. I know it. I know it. There was just a Walmart ad playing. Ooh, I love the real. Okay. And you can't stop us now. Let's keep tracking your okay. See this? Okay. I don't think you can really see it, but. Aye! Hey, how about this? Fidget spinner versus song. I have gun. Okay. Let's do it fast. Okay. I'm actually kind of scared. What if this goes wrong? My tongue would just be ripped into little pieces. And I'll never be able to taste again. Oh.
Thanks.
So then that means, yeah. Well, if it really happened, this is like a 9,999 miles per hour fidget spinner. Then what if it was like faster than 9,999? Oh my god. Then it would actually rip up my tongue, and I will never actually be able to taste anything or like say anything. Like, well, I will, but like I would just sound like this. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Make your time. I would just sound like that. So yeah. Okay, it doesn't really hurt. I'm just gonna do first his forehead. I'm not sure about the eye. That's the only thing I'm gonna be scared about. I don't want to do it. Yeah, you can say I'm a PUSSY. Okay.
What? Okay.
It hurts a little bit, not that much, but like there's no scars or anything, no bumps.
We will.
It hurts like a little tiny speck, like a pinch, like a little tiny pinch, like boing, like a quick one. It just tickles my ear.
Hey, Hyper, who are you making lunch for?
The girl who
Nope.
lives
Okay.
next door.
I thought you didn't like her.
I look.
But her dad pays for
Teeth.
super high-speed
I'm scared.
internet service. Unlike some cheaper dads I'm looking at.
Are you stealing our neighbor's Wi-Fi?
I was.
How?
Then they changed their dumb
It hurts, but it didn't lose my teeth.
I'm not
It didn't lose my tooth. It's still in place.
Gosh, she's here. Please call
Us.
I don't want to go to my room.
Injuring myself with this. Nope. Nope. Wait, faster.
Here I come! Hey, neighbor! Hi, Piper. Well, come on in. Thanks.
My
Why don't you invite me over for lunch?
My butt?
Why? 'Cause
Hey,
you're
no,
awesome.
seriously, I'm doing it.
Thanks. Sure. Come sit down. Okay.
Maybe you can see me
I
here.
hope you're hungry. Oh, I am. Well, then dig it. Okay. So,
There.
what was the name of your first pet?
And yeah, thank you for watching.
Fidget.
Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.